Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Children, in the previous class, what we have learned? We learned, heard the story of Black Beauty. Lesson 1, we learned Black Beauty. Who is the author of Black Beauty? Anna Sewell. Okay children, now we'll recall the story in short. Yes, Black Beauty is the story of a handsome horse named Darky. It lived on an English farm which belonged to Farmer Gray. Farmer Gray was very kind, caring, and affectionate to all the animals. From his farm, Darky was taken to another farm for his training. At last, Darky got trained and learned how to carry a person and how to move faster with a cart. Okay, children, how many of them have read the lesson? In the previous class, I said you have to read the lesson. How many of them have read the lesson? I hope everyone have read the lesson. If you have not read the lesson, kindly read the lesson. It will help you a lot. It helps in reading habit and it makes you to learn many things. So after I teach every lesson, all the students should read the lesson. Today, I have given the words, antonyms, synonyms, past tense, and then question answer and some book exercise I have given. What you have to do, you have to copy down in a new notebook. You write for English, you have a separate notebook and you write the title, lesson 1, Black Beauty, and then what all I have given, you have to copy down in the notebook. Will you do, children? Okay. First, we'll see the hard words. Yes, hard words. First one, what is this? Handsome. Say the spelling for handsome. H-A-N-D. Hand. S-O-M-E. Handsome. Okay. Second one, darky. What's the spelling for darky? D-A-R-K. Dark. I-E. Dark E. Third, grazed. G-R-A-Z-E-D. Grazed. Grazed. Spelling what? G-R-A-Z-E-D. Grazed. Grazed means what? Many animals will be eating small grasses, isn't it? That one only we call grazed. Then colts. Colts spelling what? Colts spelling what? C-O-L-T-S. Colts. C-O-L-T-S. Colts means what? A young male horse. Fifth one, gallop. G-A-L-L-O-P. Gallop. Gallop means what? G-A-L-L-O-P. Spelling for gallop? G-A-L-L-O-P. Number 6, field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Number 7, hedges. H-E-D-G-E-S. Hedges. Hedges. Spelling H-E-D-G-E-S. Hedges. Number 8, trot. T-R-O-T. Trot. T-R-O-T. Trot. Number 9, chase. C-H-A-I-S-E. Chase spelling C-H-A-I-S-E. Chase. Number 10, examined. Examined. E-X-A-M. Exam. I-N-E-D. Examined. Once again, E-X-A-M. Exam. I-N-E-D. Examined. Number 11, meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W. Meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W. Number 12, harness. 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 Harness spelling Harness. Harness. Children, have you once again you have to learn these hard words and you have to practice at home. Next we'll see the synonyms. First one, tale means what? A story. Tale means what? A story. Number 2, carefree. Carefree means what? With no problems or worries. Carefree means what? With no problems or worries. Number 3, colt. A young male horse under the age of 4. A young male horse under the age of 4. Number 4, gallop. Gallop means what? Quick movement in leaps and bounds. Gallop means what? Quick movement in leaps and bounds. Number 5, hedges. Hedges means what? It's a row of bushes or small trees. It's a row of small bushes or small trees. Number 6, broken in. Broken in means trained to carry a rider. Broken in means what? Trained to carry a rider. Number 7, startled. Frightened. Startled means what? Frightened. Number 8, trot. Move faster than walking. Trot means what? Move faster than walking. See, synonyms means what I said. It's meanings. For meanings only we should write synonyms. Okay, children. We'll go to the next one. Antonyms means what? Opposites. Antonyms means opposites. Number 1, old. Old, young. What's the spelling for young? Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Old, young. Number 2, good. Bad. Bad spelling B-A-D. Bad. Number 3, kind. Cruel. Kind means cruel, opposite. Spelling for cruel C-R-U-E-L. Cruel. Number 4, through. Catch. Through, catch. Catch spelling C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Come. Go. Spelling for go G-O. Go. Okay, children, let's go to the past tense. Past tense means what? What we have completed. What we have completed only past tense. What we have done before. What we have done before. That is called past tense. What we are going to do now means it's the present tense. Now what we are going to do. Go means what? Went. Went means what we have done before. That is called past tense. Okay, children. Go means what? Went. Go past tense. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. For catch, past tense, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Catch, past tense, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Leave. Leave, past tense, left. Leave, past tense, left. L-E-F-T. Left. Notice. Past tense, noticed. Notice, past tense, noticed. Spelling N-O-T-I-C-E-D. Okay. Throw. Throw, past tense, through. Throw, past tense, Through. Through spelling T-H-R-E-W. Once again, number one, what we learn? Go, bent. Catch, caught. Leave, left. Notice, noticed. Throw, through. Okay, children. Next, we will go to answer the following. Only in this lesson, only two question answer is given. It's very easy. Who was Black Beauty and where did he live? Once again, I'll read the question. Who was Black Beauty and where did he live? Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse. He lived on an English farm. Once again, I'll read. Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse. He lived on an English farm. Children, are you thorough? Once again, shall I read? Who was Black Beauty and where did he live? Here, two questions is given. So, we are writing two answers below. Okay. Who was Black Beauty means Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse. And where did he live? He lived on an English farm. Number 2. Why did Farmer Gray send Darky to another farm? Why did Farmer Gray send Darky to another farm? Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm because he wanted Darky to get used to being in other places and around other animals. Once again, I'll read. Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm because he wanted Darky to get used to being in other places and around other animals. Once again, shall I read? Why did Farmer Gray send Darky to another farm? Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm because he wanted Darky to get used to being in other places and around other animals. The next we'll go to book exercise. Move on to book exercise. First one, write one word for the following. Write one word for the following. A young male horse. A young male horse means what? One word only we have to write. So what's the answer? Colt. C-O-L-T. Colt. A young male horse means what? Colt. C-O-L-T. Colt. Second one, the fast movement of a horse. The fast movement of a horse. What's the answer? Gallop. G-A-L-L-O-P. G-A-L-L-O-P. Gallop. Number 3. The sound made by a horse. The sound made by a horse. Neigh. N-E-I-G-H. Neigh. Number 4. A female horse. A female horse means mare. M-A-R-E. Mare. A female horse. Mare. Once again, shall I read from the first one? A young male horse. Colt. The fast movement of a horse. Gallop. The sound made by a horse. Neigh. A female horse. Mare. Okay, children. Now we'll see. Make 3 new words of 3 or more letters from these words. Make 3 new words of 3 or more letters from these words. Horse. Horse means, so see, rose, sore, horse. Sore means what? Sore means uh, painful throat. Sore throat we will say, isn't it? That is called painful. Okay. Horse means what? A tube. Okay. So you can make your own words also. The second one, meadow. Meadow means, meadow you can form 3 words. What? Meow. It's a sound of a cat. Me, dam. Third one, farmer. Farmer, farm, arm. Carriage, car, age, race. Okay, children, you can also make new words. Underline the correctly spelled words within the brackets. You have to find out which word is correct. Understood? Darky was a dash on Farmer Gray's farm. Which answer is correct? C-O-L-T or C-O-U-L-T? C-O-L-T is correct. C-O-L-T is correct. You have to underline that word. Second one, Dick, the plow boy, would throw stones and twigs at the horses. Plow spelling P-L-O-W is correct or P-L-O-U-G-H is correct? Plow. P-L-O-U-G-H is correct. You have to underline that word. My aunt grows a variety of flowers in her garden. What's the spelling? Correct spelling for variety? V-A-R-I-A-T-Y or V-A-R-I-E-T-Y? V-A-R-I-E-T-Y is correct. Number 4. Will you go to the library this weekend? Which weekend? W-E-E-K-E-N-D is correct or W-E-A-K-E-N-D is correct? W-E-E-K-E-N-D is correct. Okay, children. Only this much I have given. All the students should copy down in a notebook and you have to learn this. This is the homework. You have to learn this. Thank you, children.